There are 3 steps to building repeatable process. This is going to be the quick and dirty, short and simple way for you to be able to build more repeatability inside of your business. So the 3 steps to building an actual repeatable process, first and foremost, are to do it. So a lot of folks differ with me on this opinion, but I know, although controversial, it is actually true that as you are growing a business or starting anything from scratch, it is going to be most helpful if you, the founder or the leader of the business, are actually doing the thing. Because most of the time, as a forcing function to grow in the very beginning, you are forced to only do the things that are moving the needle for you, right? You have to be very restrictive with your time. If it's you and just a handful of team members, or you and a contractor, somebody like that, you may be in a position where you need to be very, very ruthless with how you point your direction, your focus, and you spend your time. So do the thing. The second thing is to document the thing. So even before you've brought on a team member, even before you know perhaps who you might delegate this to, whatever is happening there, if we've found a reason to keep doing the thing multiple times, go ahead and just at least write that stuff down, right? I love using video for this as well. You can use a Chrome extension called Loom, LOOM.com, to just kind of screencast your way through documenting this thing if you get kind of the scaries from opening up a Google document. But document the thing to show what exactly you're doing, how you're getting results. Having a well of documented actual tasks inside of the business is going to be so beneficial when you bring on your first person to help them really get on ramped and help them understand exactly what you expect of them. And the third thing is going to be to delegate that thing. That is the true blue ultimate test to whether or not a process can be repeatable. Now, you don't necessarily need to delegate it to a person. You can delegate it to a piece of software. You can delegate it by setting up an automation. But getting that thing off of your plate tells us that it doesn't just live inside of our brain. We aren't the only special human being on the earth that can actually do that thing, that we have done something successfully, repeatably, written that thing down, and been able to transfer that knowledge to another person or piece of technology. Now, if you are trying to just go ahead and skip to step number 3 and create an automation for something without having done it yourself, it is more likely that that thing is going to break. It is more likely that that person isn't going to understand. And it is way more likely that as you start to scale your business, there will be so much friction around your repeatable process. So follow those 3 steps, and I guarantee you will have way more success in creating repeatable process inside of your business. I'll see you next time.